In this video, we'll show you how to use the OptiSolex SolexBrick S1 to set up or upgrade your solar system. The SolexBrick S1 can reach temperatures of up to 80 degrees Celsius during operation. Therefore, once installation is complete and the device is in use, do not touch it directly. Make sure the S1 is placed in a well-ventilated, shaded area. Before installation, please double-check the positive and negative terminals, as well as the input and output ports. Incorrect polarity or reversing the input and output connections can damage the SolexBrick S1. Step 2. Inspect the battery to make sure it is an undamaged lithium iron phosphate battery and is working properly. Then verify the nominal voltage of the lithium battery by checking its nameplate or specification sheet. Step 3. Make sure that the total output current is less than the battery's maximum charge current. If you are using a 51.2-volt battery, the SolexBrick S1 must be used in series. Up to 3 SolexBrick S1 in series. Step 4. If using S1 individually or in parallel, make sure each panel or array meets the limits shown in the diagram. The maximum power at STC for each solar array is 450 watts. Use the same model and brand within one array, but different arrays can use different range of panels. Step 5. If you're connecting multiple S1 units in series, make sure each connected solar panel or array meets the requirements shown in the diagram. The maximum power at STC for each solar array is 230 watts. First, mount the S1 onto the rigid solar panel. If you are using the OptiSolex 200-watt mountable solar panel, you can directly secure the S1 through the pre-drilled mounting hole. However, if you're using solar panels from other brands, you may need to use the included mounting bracket pad to mount the S1 securely. Next, connect the solar panel to the lithium battery. To avoid reverse polarity, start by connecting the power extension cables to the lithium battery. Attach the red positive wire to the battery's positive terminal and the black negative wire to the negative terminal. If you're using only one solar panel, connect the output end of the S1, the longer end, to the power extension cable. Then connect the input end of the S1, the shorter end, to the wires from the solar panel. If you're using multiple solar panels and each needs its own S1, simply connect the S1 units in series, output to output, and then to the power extension cable. Then connect each S1's input to its corresponding solar panel. When you first connect the system, a small current flows for about 3 minutes. That's normal. S1 is just initializing and running a quick self-check. Once it enters MPPT mode, you're ready to go.